This is how to back up your website. Sometimes you might not need a backup. Sometimes revisions are adequate. So we'll run through both because I consider revisions to be backups on a page level, which can sometimes be all you need. So say if I wanted to reinstate an older version of this page, I'd look at my revisions. And down here I can see every time I've saved the page. So I can reinstate old versions by simply clicking buttons here. So here we see what changes were made to the template. And if I wanted to, I can restore this version here. So I can restore this. And bam, that's an older version restored. So I can preview that. And yeah, so now we're back to the 4-column. So sometimes people don't know about revisions, and that's because it's hidden from you by default. So in your screen options up here, revisions is unticked by default. So you have to manually select it on a page level. So go to the page that you want to display the revisions on, and this box will appear here. Now, in regards to backups, backing up the entire site, I use updraft. I used to use Backup Buddy. I had the premium version of Backup Buddy, and I'd find that it would fail more often than it would actually back up. So I found updraft to be really, really smooth, and I can set updraft to back up to Dropbox automatically. And in the settings here, I can set it to back up my site files monthly, because I'm not making very many changes to the site files. And I can set 8 copies of the database to back up daily. So I can store 8 copies of my database, and each one is backed up every day. So, and that's great if you've got a blog which you are updating regularly. So we can choose Dropbox here as the offsite storage, or Google Drive, or many of these other things. I prefer these ones here because they're offsite, and that's a safe place, because if the whole server melts down or your hosting company goes away, then at least you've got a copy of your website. Thanks for watching. See you next.